Even like in the middle?
Welcome to Morgan. Hi, my name is Morgan. I'm 6 years old, and now I'm gonna review how my keyboard works. And it's not like a piano. It doesn't. That's why, cause it doesn't look much like a piano. But I'm gonna show you. Hey.
Are you ready? Let's jam.
A little bit. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you that is like awesome about the keyboard. You don't have to do it like this one because, like, if you listen to this one or that one or that one, you don't have to. Hey, what just happened? You don't have to. You don't have to keep it. If you only do those songs. If you're tired of this one, you can move up and do that one and look.
Check it out.
See, it goes to different songs.
Techno.
And see if you get bored of that one, then and there's rock. And jazz. Oh. Whoops. Wait, what the heck? Oh. Okay, so I do not know what that one. So usually, sorry, microphone has to be like that. Yeah, hold the microphone. So if you have it on slow, watch what's gonna happen. If you just want it slow, do a careful dance.
Reggae.
But if you don't want it slow anymore, like that, and you get bored of it the whole time, you can go to that one, and look. It doesn't go that fast, but if you get bored of that one, you can put it on fast, and then watch. It'll go really fast. And you don't just have to do those songs. There's songs over here, and there's different ones when you each move, like this one. Oh, right. And those songs never stop, so you can't get bored of hitting that button because these songs never stop. And on hip-hop, it's kind of, you know, sometimes I forget how these songs go.
Techno.
I just forget that. Well, kind of. But not that one. Okay. I think I remember that one. And walk, they sound like... I like that music. I can jump around. And jazz, it's like... And these are like mini songs that go really short to watch.
Hip hop.
I love
Techno.
that one. Wait, let me just do this one again. Okay.
Rock. Jazz.
See, I'm not hitting stop.
Reggae.
See, this one short. What else? Oh, no, not that here. There's volume over here. They sound like. See, and it gets really loud if you put it on the right. That's how I like it. But sometimes I tell me to lower it. I don't know. Just and if you get bored of the piano like this, if you get bored of that noise, and it's this one. And this one. Very beautiful music. Wait, blue one, right? Yeah, I think it's the violin. But it's a very beautiful music. Oh wait, I would just want to try something real quick. I'm gonna do that at the end. Leave that one, and this one, and that one, and then this one, the drums or whatever that's called, and this one. Okay, let me just try. Wait. So you can do different sounds. I like on the piano and these things that do different tunes. Now, here's the thing you can do. On this one, it goes like this. Hip hop. This goes like this.
Techno. Rock.
And there's also the last one that's chocolate.
Reggae.
So, there's also quick things like watch.
Hip hop.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Hip hop.
Techno. Techno. Rock. Jazz.
Oh, don't know that. And now for you can do
Choose a song.
this.
Follow the
And if
light.
you want to follow it, look. See, you can do like that. So, and then the last thing, I don't know what those buttons do yet, but this is the microphone. It's very special. Wait, is it on? Yeah, you have to turn it on. And then if you touch that, your voice sounds like this. If you touch this one, your voice sounds like this. And if you touch this one, your voice sounds like yourself. And baby voice, big blue voice, and your regular voice, that's what I call it. You can do this and record. So now my daddy here and I'm trying out something. That's why you heard that. And he's like, on the end of the computer. What? So, this is the record button when you see that around. You can do a video, and then when you hit stop, you can watch it. Now, see, you can see what I mean.
You don't have to talk into the microphone.
That was just my dad. I got presents yesterday, and he was just doing the cat thing, Claudine's pet. And now watch. So now my daddy here that's trying out something. I'm not really that. And he's like, on the end of the computer room. What? So, this is the record button when you see that around. You can do a video, and then when you hit stop, you can watch it. Now, you can see what I mean. Okay, wait, is there anything else?
No, that's it.
Oh, and here's a little stand for the microphone. And wait, I really don't know what this mute buttons do.
That's if you have
Yeah.
a trinket.
And also, these are the voices come out of.
Let's jam
So,
again later.
bye. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button and, bye. Oh, and subscribe. And bye.